if you don't like and subscribe, I'm gonna jump off from this 90. Oh my god! You're crazy. If you don't like Alright. They updated the game. Now they have these little buttons. No. I Hi, my name is Timmy. I'm a nerd. I wish I had VIP, bro. What cop is this? This is dog's charger. I only know Ford, a truck. Toyota, I get high. They said in 2 hours they will be updating the game and turning it into realistic. I'm gonna post that too. Banting over King Kong Santang. Find that. Oh my god, I hate bacon. Wait, was that bacon that was streaming my video from my other channel? Alright. Guess I had to find you again and then crash into me. Oh my god. Let's check the damages. Let's go up there. Just kidding. We're gonna explode. Where's the cup holder? Now where am I gonna put my water? In the other seat? Where is the chair? I hope you updated better, bro. Oh my gosh. He literally destroyed my car. Okay, it's time for payback. Bacon, chill out. Or yeah, his real name is Skippy. God, bro. I don't like purple. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna jump off a cliff. Please don't break my car. Okay. No. People are gonna think this is new. Should I turn the music back on? Okay. Alright. What if I jump into the acid? The acid? Look at my grip, bro. Them shoes. Hey, you copied me. You shouldn't be wearing my jacket, bro. This guy wears my jacket. Every time I see a car, I'm like, you got away. Payback. Yeah, I'm resetting. Because I don't want to be naked. Okay. That is better. Okay. Let me check the TV when the realistic event is happening. Oh my god. In 1 hour. 1 hour isn't enough. What have we got to help? People like this one. Okay, let's go climb that mountain. Oh my goodness. My boy. My boy. How did you get so good? That's just in a problem. Bruh. back to my friend. Let me spawn my car. Oh my god. Let it go in there quick. Quick. Before he dies. Dies in that poisonous water. I gotta be quick before the train gets here. I just need to bruh. Bro, what am I gonna do with this old stinky car, bro? Can you tell me? Oh, stinky? Oh yeah. It's inside. Give me out that musty, crusty stuff. Where did he go? No, he left the game. If he left the game, that means I'm